What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can switch or enable Testnet on your Pi browser wallet. So let's get started. Also, if you guys want to know how to buy, sell or trade Pi, you can check out my full Pi network playlist in the upper right corner, and I will also link it at the end of this video. So let's continue. Now to switch from mainnet to Testnet, you would first need to open your Pi browser. And once your Pi browser app loads, you would need to access your Pi wallet right here. So here you can unlock it with your secret passphrase right here, but I already set it up so I can unlock it with my fingerprint, so I will just select that option right here. And now you have accessed your Pi wallet. So in your Pi wallet you can see your migrated Pi right here that you migrated onto the mainnet and that you can sell or trade with other Pi users. So to switch from mainnet to Testnet, you would just need to click on this selector right here, this little menu, and select Pi Testnet. And then you will receive this notification right here that says that the Pi on Pi Testnet is just fictional and not a real Pi. So just go ahead and click continue right here. And here is your Pi Testnet wallet. Here you can also see your Pi wallet address for that Testnet wallet. And from here you can do whatever you wanted to do on the Testnet. Now if you want to switch back to the mainnet, you would just need to click again on this menu and select Pi mainnet. And now you will again be on your mainnet wallet. And that's guys how you can switch or enable Pi Testnet on the Pi browser wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And also don't forget to check out the Pi network playlist right here. Thank you for watching.